Greetings to all. In the video for today, I am going to instruct you on the process of establishing an account without any cost on FreelancingPost. This particular video is intended for both freelancers and clients alike. If you are interested in setting up an account, you should begin by opening your web browser and conducting a search for it. You need to specifically search for FreelancingPost.com, and upon searching for this domain, which serves as the official website of FreelancingPost.com, you will successfully arrive there. Upon arriving at that particular page, you will observe a sign-in button prominently displayed. You are required to click on it. Subsequently, a sign-up section will manifest itself before you. You must tap on it. Following this action, the comprehensive sign-up form will be presented to you. Initially, we will examine what information it is requesting. The initial option is Freelancer FU. If you are interested in offering your service on this platform, you should choose the Freelancer section. Conversely, if you wish to submit your project here, or if you are in search of any freelancer, kindly select the checkbox labeled Employer at this point. Subsequently, you are required to input your given name in the designated field. Following that, please input your surname in this section. It is crucial to ensure that you provide your actual name, as later on, when the verification process of your account is conducted with your official documents, potential issues may arise. Therefore, it is imperative to enter the authentic name that appears on your official documents in this section. Subsequently, you are required to provide a username, and it is essential that the username remains unique at all times. You can input a distinctive username in this section. For instance, I have entered my own name here, so you can input your own name and verify if the username is available. In the event that it is unavailable, you have the option to append a few numerical digits at the end to proceed. Following this step is the email ID, and it is imperative that you enter the correct email ID because after this, OTP sent for verification. The OTP will be dispatched for verification purposes, so kindly enter the email ID that you have associated. Subsequently, you need to input your phone number. Initially, select your country code here. In my situation, it is India, so for your case, you can choose the suitable one from this list and then input your number. After entering the number, the next step is to set a password. Please ensure to use a robust password to prevent any complications in the future. You have the option to input a robust password at this point. Subsequently, it indicates that you have the opportunity to review their terms and privacy policy. By right-clicking and opening the page, you are able to examine in detail what elements are included. What are the privacy measures on this website? Additionally, there exists a separate page dedicated to the privacy policy, allowing you to thoroughly read both the privacy policy and the terms and conditions. After reviewing, if you find them satisfactory, you may check the box. Alright. Subsequently, you have the opportunity to proceed with registration. Alternatively, there is the straightforward option to select the Facebook icon to gain access to your account. Or, if you already possess an email ID that is logged into your web browser, you can simply click on the Gmail link to log in, or you can also access your account through LinkedIn from this point. Nevertheless, I will personally guide you through the process of signing up using an email ID. Alright, then you are required to after completing the filling out of all the required information, proceed to register. Once that is accomplished, you will receive a prompt request. Authenticate the Gmail verification code, which signifies that the authentication code should have been dispatched to the email address you provided. You are required to input that specific code in this section. Allow me to access my email inbox. Upon accessing the email inbox, I notice a new email from FreelancingPost. Upon opening it, it indicates account verification one-time password, and this is your password, this particular one right here. I believe it would likely be a 6-digit numerical code, so you can input it right there. And for what duration is this OTP considered valid? You are required to input the OTP within a time frame of 15 minutes, so I have entered it in this section. In the event that you do not receive the code, what actions can you take? Correct? You have the option to click on Resend to receive it once more. Subsequently, what you need to do is click on Verify. After clicking on My Brother, your personalized dashboard will be displayed in front of you. In the event that you registered as a freelancer, it will display Freelancer in this section. Conversely, if you registered as an employee, it will display Employee. However, in the case that you mistakenly registered as a freelancer or inadvertently selected employee, you have the ability to switch here to navigate to the employee account, and you can also switch from employee to freelancer, and here is a newly updated dashboard in front of you where you can review all your detailed information. You can do it. In the next video, I will show how to customize the profile and how to do identity verification. I will cover all these sections in videos, so please make sure to like and subscribe to the video. Thank you.